Hey everybody, in this video I will guide you through how to fix it if your Instagram add to story is missing. The very first thing you can do is to go over to your Google Play Store and search for Instagram. Now find out if your Instagram need an update. So on the right side of the Instagram it will either say open or update. If it says open it means you are using the latest version, but if it says update it means you have to update your Instagram to the latest version of the app. This is one of the first way you can fix this issue. By doing so it will most likely eliminate the problems. If you are unable to update Instagram, go over to your phone settings and tap on apps and notifications. Now tap on app info and now scroll down to Instagram. Now tap on storage and you have to clear the data associated with the app. So go ahead and clear all the data. After that, go back and tap on permissions. Now you have to allow for all of them. Now go back, open up Instagram and sign back in. It should be like a brand new version of the Instagram so that you will be able to share or add all kinds of posts to your story. Here the video ends. If you have any questions about this whole process, please leave them in the comment section below, and if this video helped you out, give this video a big thumbs up, and for more tutorial videos like this one, subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching.